Are you interested in traveling to Germany free of charge? This is a fully funded conference. They will pay for your flight, your accommodation, your feeding, your transport, everything that you need to for the duration of that program, for the duration of the fellowship. So if it's something that you're interested in, stick around and make sure that you watch till the end. Yes, so yay, guess what? I'm excited. I have good news for you guys. Yes, so today I want to talk about how today I'll be sharing great news on how you can get a fully funded conference in Germany. So when I say fully funded conference, I mean it is fully funded. I mean your flights is paid for, accommodation is paid for, feeding, transports, and every other expense is paid for the duration of the conference that is taking place in Germany. If this is something that you're interested in, if you want to travel to Germany for free, go ahead and stick around till the very end. So if you're new here, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to know you guys. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Yes, introduce yourself in the comments. I want to meet you guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, if you're one of my old G's, like if you're my day one, so all of my day one guys, you guys are the best. You guys are the real MVP. You're the reason why I do this like every single time. Thank you. Thank you so much for always sticking around, leaving your comments, letting me know how best I can improve this channel. Thank you. Sorry, how best I can improve our channel. This is not just my channel, it is our channel. Thank you so much for always supporting your girl on this channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and introduce yourself. Like I said, make sure that you join the family. Yes, it's very important that you turn on your notification bells it's even more important that you turn on your notification bells than subscribing. Anyways, I mean, just kidding. So you have to turn on your notification bells so you don't miss out on all of these juicy opportunities that I share on my channel. Yes, because on this channel, I talk about grants for small businesses. So if you have a small business in Nigeria, Africa, Kenya, Ghana, Botswana, South Africa, any country in Africa, or even if you have a small business in United States, Canada, Europe, UK, you will find grants for yourself on my channel. Yes, so and I also share information on fully funded conferences like this on my channel, as well as how to also study abroad for free. So if you go on my channel, if you go through my previous videos, you would find how to study. I already shared a fully funded conference like this one, how to travel to Tokyo for free on my channel. So your girl is not here to play. I'm not here to play. It's not cherry where I'm here to serve you guys. So if you are seeing this gorgeous queen for the first time, my name is Miriam. I am based here in California. I'm based in Antioch, California. Yes, I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. I drop 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube every Saturdays and Wednesdays, 10:30 p.m. Pacific time. So we can have a chit chat, rub minds, and talk. Let's have a chit chat session. So without further ado, let's go over to today's topic. But before we go, make sure that you follow your girl on social media, on all of my social media platforms. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, my chassis, everything. Yes, so let us move to the next level. Let us all jump over to the next level. So without further ado, come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, have you heard of Afrika Kommt Fellowship and Internship Program? Hey, this is a fully funded conference to Germany. Yes, so and it is a fellowship program. Now, the fellowship program targets highly qualified young professionals and junior executives in sub-Saharan Africa with several years of work experience, strong leadership qualities, and a high level of dedication. Now, Afrika Kommt, when I say Africa, I mean Afrika Kommt. So Afrika Kommt is an initiative of the German industry for future leaders from sub-Saharan Africa, and it offers the opportunity of a 1-year experience in Germany, including an 8-month internship in a leading German enterprise. The program, 19 leading German enterprise, founded the initiative Afrika Kommt in the year 2008, and the very first joint initiative for capacity building by German industry. At the heart of the Afrika Kommt Fellowship Program is an 8-month practical training in a leading German enterprise, benefiting both fellows and partner companies, and a classic win-win situation. Of course, what have you got to lose? The program fellows will benefit through obtaining first-hand practical experience in a leading German enterprise, and they will also be exposed to leadership concepts and management techniques in practice. Now, they will also become acquainted with working processes and business culture in German enterprises, and they will also be extending their international management competencies, and they will also be initiating networks of cooperation partners between sub-Saharan Africa and German companies. Now, the partner companies will benefit through establishing networks of cooperation and trust in promising future markets in sub-Saharan Africa and extending their experience with the working and business culture in sub-Saharan Africa. And they will also be improving their and they will also be improving, yes, two of us are shooting these videos together, and they will also be improving their knowledge about cultures, markets, countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? Now, the Afrika Kommt Fellowship Program aims at highly qualified professionals and junior executives from sub-Saharan Africa with several years of hands-on work experience, strong leadership qualities, and a very high level of commitment and dedication. Now, besides the specific technical expertise relevant to the partner company, the program requires candidates to have the following set of general skills and attributes. Number one is language and communication skills. Yes, you need to have good interpersonal relationship and great communication skills to be able to to apply or to be considered for this opportunity. You're expected to have excellent English skills and strong oral and written communication skills. And you must also have high willingness to learn German professional skills as well, and high leadership potential. And you must also have a strong self-motivation and self-starter mentality. You must also have a high level of dedication, commitment, and target orientation. And you must also have strong capacity for teamwork. You should be able to learn, to work with other people without having judgment or bias. You should be able to, accommodate people. You should be an accommodating individual. And you should also have a high level of enthusiasm, flexibility, and resilience. And you should also be outstanding have outstanding intercultural competencies. And you should also be able to adapt to new environments quickly. Yes, so your girl has got you covered. The deadline for this opportunity is 30th of March 2022. Your girl has got you covered. I have done all the homework for you. All you need to do is just go right into the link in my description and begin to apply for this wonderful, awesome opportunity that I have shared with you guys. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button and leave your comments right after watching. I can't wait to read from you guys. And also do well to join the family. Join the family. And also, if you're led to support this channel, go ahead and use the join button. Use the join button, join my family. Choose any of the perks that that works for you, and feel free to cancel anytime. There are no obligations. And also follow your girl on social media. Follow me, Chassis Everything, on TikTok and Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Chassis Everything. And at this point, I want to say a big thank you. Make sure that you check out my previous videos on grants, on scholarship opportunities, fully funded conferences. Make sure that you check them out before their deadline. Also, it's very important that you turn on your notification bell after subscribing to my channel. This channel is not a channel that you should just subscribe to without turning on your notification bell, so you don't miss out when I drop juicy details like these ones. Now, one more thing is, please go ahead and share this video with your friends, your family members, and your loved ones, even your enemies. Share this video with all of your village members as well. We all have to win in this year. We're making money. Hey, we're making money this year. So thank you so much for sticking with me till this point. I remain your girl Chastis. If this video has blessed you, you know what to do. So I'll see you guys in my next video. But till then, keep putting and keep sparkling. If no one has told you, let me be the first to tell you that you are beautiful. You are amazing. I see you and I appreciate you, and I am super, super proud of you. So I'll see you in my next video. Go ahead and be great. Bye for now, guys. I love you.